Meanwhile.
Baby, are you ready? Kelly's twin, guys. Tyler is about to teach this Goliath a lesson, and we're gonna help you. We're not gonna just leave you out there stranded. Matt and I are gonna help you 100%. Yeah, so
we're sacrificing.
You're good. You're not losing anything. Hold on, hold on. Look at the camera. That's all. Forget. Matt is behind you, grabbing you. I'm behind you, grabbing you. Look at that. Are you ready?
We're ready.
Are you ready?
Are you ready, Tyler?
Oh my God, we're tossing it in. You have to freaking pull. You have to pull. An adult size.
Alright, free spool. Oh, free spool. No, wrong way. There you go. All the way to the bottom.
They're looking at it.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my God. Keep rolling, Kelly. Keep rolling, Kelly.
We're rolling, we're rolling.
They're looking at it. They're following it down to the bottom. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. Okay. God, the fish are everywhere, dude. The fish are everywhere. This is so intense right now. How do you feel, buddy? How do you feel? You ready? Just hold on. Forget this, bro. You'll feel the bite. We're not feeling for nibbles out here, dude. Just hold on as hard as you can, buddy. I believe in you. Take one look at the camera in case we don't see you again. He's hit right now, I think. He's eating. Hold on. Yeah. 100%.
Oh my God.
100% on.
Oh, I see the tip.
Okay, ready?
Oh my gosh.
Reel, boy! Reel, boy! Reel. Keep reeling. Don't stop. Don't stop. Oh, no.
Breathe.
Big, bro.
Breathe, Tyler.
Oh, my God. It's a mega. Don't go under the boat, you piece of... Oh. You're good, baby. You're doing great, Tyler. You're doing great.
Oh, my goodness.
Keep going, guys.
Oh, this is a two-person effort, 100%. Oh, my God. Don't stop. Look at this piece.
There we go.
All right, I'm going to loosen it up a little bit. Turn it. Tyler, reel. Going back for the wreck in. Reel, Tyler, reel.
Reel, baby, reel.
Anytime he stops running, you reel.
It'll be sore tomorrow.
We got this, baby.
Coming up.
We got this.
Coming up. Oh, he's coming up.
You and me.
There you go. You see Tyler?
Brothers unite.
Let's go. He's right there.
That's a giant.
Oh my God.
It's a giant.
That's a monster.
Get rid of the monster. You got this.
Hold on.
Got him beat. No, we don't. Real. Oh,
Real, guys.
we got him. Real.
Woo! Look at that. Oh my gosh.
Real, baby. Oh, my God.
Woo!
Look at the turkey thing.
Still in there.
Oh, my God, Tyler.
The turkey, the little piece.
Oh my
The piece.
gosh.
No joke. You can see the piece of the turkey.
He yanked it off.
He wrapped it off. Oh, my God. Dude.
Woo.
Dude. You did it, bro. Teamwork. Wait, you ripped this thing. Watch out, we got Flipper coming. Flipper pisses
Bring
him
him
off.
around the other side of the boat. It'll make it a little easier.
We're going to bring him on the other side. Hold on to the rod.
All right.
Yeah, keep holding the rod.
He'll pull.
To run again.
He's going to pull again. He's going to keep his head up.
Oh my
All right,
goodness.
go on
This
the
is so
other side, Kelly. Go on
cool.
the section.
Yep.
You're
Wow.
doing great, bro. You crushed this out, bro. I'm proud.
All right, so now,
I am barefoot.
So this is why I'm wearing gloves, guys. I'm a little spooked to do this. They get pissed. Watch, I told you, they get pissed. They get pissed when you put your hands in their mouth. Watch out, we whoop these, bro.
You might tail
This thing had
slap
no
you.
chance, bro. This thing had no chance, dude.
Wow.
Easy 300. Easy 300.
Oh my gosh.
I'm telling you, they hate when you do that. Look at the true, tail whip. I'm not trying to get tail whipped either.
Wow, look at that.
Look at this.
Don't get wrecked.
I'm not. You ready? Okay, ready?
Yep.
I'm gonna try to, it's so slippery. There's like almost no weight. Piece of crap.
Ooh, oh, look what you did. Look what you did.
See, my gloves are torn up. They do have teeth, guys. Freak out, bro. Look at the size of this thing. This thing is no less than 5 feet long. This is an absolute giant, a turkey-eating giant with Captain Matt Budd. Dude, this is crazy. So now we gotta try to get this hook out somehow. Don't eat me. I got it. Boom. Got it out. And here's the turkey, guys. Here's the turkey. Check this out, guys. The turkey. Bomb.
Destroyed.
The turkey.
And then like, try to turn it right side up and then
What the fuck?
give him a little...
And he's gonna smack us, guys. No hook, nothing, guys. Oh, something's right there. I'm not trying to get eaten, but Tyler and I whooped this thing with Cat. Thank you so much for putting this on. It's a turkey-eating giant fish, guys. It's time to go. Ready, Tyler? Go ahead. Put him right side up and he'll do his own thing. That's it. Bomb, 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 bomb.
Wow.